Hi, in this short video, I'm just going to show how we could use physics to have an object move, and we don't have to add a single lick of code. Basically, what I've done here is I've put in 1, 2, and 3 planes, 3 meshes, there's flat surfaces, and I put in 1 sphere object. Now when I add the sphere object, it automatically comes in with the transform, the mesh, the collider, the renderer, but it doesn't have this. It doesn't have a rigid body. I had to add the rigid body by saying add component, physics, and rigid body. And when the rigid body comes in, these are the default values. Oops, let me open that again. These are the default values. It has a mass of 1. It's going to use gravity, blah, 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 blah. Okay? So with the rigid body on the object, that means the physics engine of Unity is going to work on this ball, and it's going to actually move like a physical object. And since I have gravity on, gravity is going to pull it down. So without any code, when I press play, something like this will happen. The ball will drop, gravity rolls down, ball drops, and then it drops on the last surface and woo, rolls right off into Forever Everland. Of course, if I turned off gravity on the sphere and press play, the ball won't drop. It won't move. And if I added another object in the way over here somewhere, let me say another game object, let's add a cube. Okay, and it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to put it right over here, and then I'm going to stretch it out to make like a wall so the ball doesn't roll off the edge. So when I put this cube here and I stretched it into like rectangular shape, you know, the cube already has a collider, a box collider. So if my object has a rigid body, then any object with a collider object, see, even these planes, they have a mesh collider. It's a collider. Mesh collider, and this new cube that I added, it has a box collider. So if I press play, it's going to happen when the ball, oops, it doesn't have gravity. Let me click gravity back on. Choo, the ball falls, it rolls, and bang, hits into that. And will it stop rolling? It still falls off. But, no, not yet. Plane. Let me turn off the collider on that first plane, and without a collider on an object, if I press play, the ball, oh, I forgot to turn on let me go back to the sphere and put gravity on. And then on this plane over here, I turned off the mesh collider. So it's going to act like it doesn't have a collider. And when I press play, the ball falls right through it. Okay? Thank you.